like this thing where you guys were doing some beats and we were randomly constant single step where I would be doing like this. That's it. See, I feel dancing is not my thing. And see, right now also I'm very sweaty because of that word. I'm that scared of dancing. My hands and my leg movements are not coordinating.
We were talking to a choreographer, he said like I'll be coming to the practice and everything. He was suggesting we'll be doing like 4 or 5 songs and Gnan was like we'll do 2. 2 is fine.
This 2 is fine. I don't want to move my legs or do anything, but I want to do dance. Bachinna. Did it come good?
Yeah, good. You think you dance better than him?
No, not at all. No. He's a better one than me, not me.
Yeah, I know that.
Sajit knows it. This is my second time dancing. First time was in my brother's engagement or Sangeet party. Here it's like my event.
तेरे जैसे भले भले हाय हाय
Look at a stupid t-shirt he wears.
Of course, you're dancing.
Don't remind me that. Comes my father. He enters into the picture and he's like, you have no time for shooting. So Bharat was standing there and he was asking me for few poses and I'm like, no, we don't have time. So that's how we rushed. Once we went down, we have to plan our entrance. So that's how unplanned we are.
Sangeet is like #unplanned. ಮಂತ್ರಮೋ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಸಿಂದಿಲ ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಕೇತವಿಸಲ ಭೂಮಿಂದಕೋ ಬಹಿಂದೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬಹುಸಾಕನಲು ತಪನಕ.
When once I was dancing over there, I don't know, somehow I left everything and I just grabbed him onto the stage and we both were dancing and everything just disappeared.
It was tensed in the beginning. Once the song and everything started to play, then we saw each other and we thought like this is our moment to grab. We are going to have a good time on stage and we didn't care.
We have thought of, obviously it did not go that way, but what we felt is what we expected. So I mean, the happiness at the end that we got is, it's like no comparison to any other words. The pictures were like
Amazing,
too good,
amazing,
too
amazing.
good. We
So-
were going for our dinner. We don't know that pictures were playing
on
there
the
on
LED
the
screens.
screen. And suddenly I turned like this and I saw our pictures. I'm like, wow. I just stopped walking. And I called Venkat and we both were
We were looking
literally
at the pictures.
staring.
It was
at
very
this.
royal, like in the picture.
Yeah. I mean, we forgot everything. And we just
Yeah, I kept looking at the pictures.
pictures and yeah, while eating also I was showing everyone, Dad, did you see that? Vadina, did you see that?
That is the photo shoot pictures.
Yeah, Anna, did you see that? I was so proud that we took such great photos and we have such great name. Yeah, we literally stopped eating and was seeing the pictures. I love you.
I like you.
What? What? That's wrong. Oh, Jesus. No. The first thing that I love about Venkat is he's very kind and very loving person. He doesn't want to hurt anyone. He cares about everyone. I think that's the first quality that I was attracted to him. Do you know what his name is saved in my phone as? It's Mr. Cool. So he's very cool, calm. If something is not going in time or if something is not happening properly, I'll be like, I think I'll give up. All of these thoughts would go away if he's beside me. He's the one who pushes me and he's my backbone, I feel.
It is very funny. Like I used to go home, then I used to put her a friend request, and she is very reserved kind of a person. She used to not accept my friend request. And there's a small bug in Facebook where you can delete and put another friend request, and your friend request goes in the top. And she notices sometime like. And then it went like 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, and then almost at the end of the 4th year, she accepted my friend request.
Excited. I've been waiting for this I had this for her, and it's happening.
I still remember the day when I saw her. It was amazing. I don't know, I felt the vibe. I want to see her again. It was almost like love at first sight kind of a thing. It is like almost 10 years I saw her for the first time. On the day of the wedding, when I saw Gnanavi for the first time, she was very, very beautiful. Like,
You did not tell me that. Why?
No,
You did not tell me anything.
I was surprised to know, is this the beautiful one I'm going to get? Sohini, like, she did a very good work.
I felt very privileged doing his makeup. And
Oh, it's generally it is her who does all the makeup.
don't remove that, just wash.
అరే వాష్ ఎట్లా అవుతుంది
అది పర్లేదు ఏం కాదు. Okay.
కానీ నేను నీ పక్కన డొక్కులా పడితే మాత్రం కొట్టి పడచ్చు.
What is more beautiful is it happened all on time, right?
Yeah.
Exact 11:45 we just put like this. I mean, I literally enjoyed each and every moment of my wedding. I was very excited. I'm like, at one moment, I was like, I called Sajid and I told him, Sajid, finally it's happening, finally it's happening. Venkat hands were shaking. I'm like, Venkat, ఎందుకు చేతులు వణుకుతున్నాయి? Is everything good? ఏమైంది?
Literally, I was like holding the hands of Tali and my hands were shaking.
Shaking.
Then I thought like everyone was seeing it. So I pulled my hands aside and then I said to my hands like, stop. Still they were shaking. And then they put my hands forward. Still they were shaking.
I was very happy that I got someone with such a pure heart. All the weight, all the struggles that we both have gone through were finally happened. We both loved working with you guys. You were literally friends to us. I think we'll remember you guys for our lifetime. Yeah, it was very fun working with you guys. And whatever happened, but yeah, you guys were very supportive of us. You understood our situation in every event, I would say.
Yeah.
The delay, the everything.
Like I said, like every event, like it started like how it should not start, but it ended in a very, very positive way.
You guys were very positive on it. Even we were disappointed at some point in the event, but you guys were bringing
Cheering
us
it up,
back.
yes,
Yeah,
yes.
I felt that was very good experience that we had with you guys. Thank you that we chose you.
And hope, very good thing that Sajid was able to take our shoot.
Yeah.
Yeah.